What if the plastic dabbas and the plastic bottles that you're carrying every single day are slimming down your chances of becoming a parent? So, doctor, plastics have become such an integral part of our life and they're adversely affecting the fertility of men and women as well. So, doctor, what's going wrong about it?
See, plastic contains harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates. They are known as endocrine disruptors. They mimic estrogen and they mess up with your body hormones. In men, it decreases the sperm count, it affects the sperm motility, and it also increases DNA fragmentation of the sperms. So, increased DFI of the sperm actually results in poor quality embryos and even miscarriages. In women, it affects ovulation, it affects egg quality. If you know, there's a study done by University of Miami which has shown that microplastics are found even in testes and human placenta.
So, doctor, how do you test DNA fragmentation?
DNA fragmentation index test, and now there is an advancement in that test. In just one test, we will get the semen analysis and sperm DNA fragmentation. It is AI-based semen analysis, which analyzes around 3000 sperms. It gives much faster result, like saves 80% of the time, and also helps me in selecting the sperm when I'm doing IVF so that it can improve the embryo quality and it can also reduce the chances of miscarriage.
So, doctor, 90% of the food that we order comes in the plastic container and we microwave it without even giving a second thought.
Even microwave-safe plastic can leach harmful chemicals into the food and it affects your fertility permanently.
So, doctor, is there any way that we can find out that the eggs or sperms have been affected by the plastics?
So, there is no direct test to detect microplastics in eggs and sperms. But if you have tried to conceive and haven't been able to, then you should consult a fertility specialist. Get both of yourself evaluated. Men should undergo semen analysis at least, and women should undergo basic ultrasound along with the AMH test and tube test. After understanding your test reports, you can consider your options and you can consider treatment as well.